Today is my birthday. I am so happy. This is the best day ever.
Here comes the cake, Tommy. I made it just for you, my love. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tommy. Happy birthday.
Tommy, the candles are so pretty. I want to see them. They are so beautiful.
My cake, my birthday cake, it is all gone. It is ruined.
I am so sorry. I really did not mean it. Please believe me. I am so sorry, Tommy.
Sophie, I worked so hard on that cake. Please, just go to your room right now.
But Mom, please listen. It was an accident. I did not do it on purpose, please.
Sophie, please. Not now. Just go to your room. I cannot talk right now, okay?
I just wanted to see the candles. I did not want to ruin everything. I am sorry.
Maria, she is only 6 years old. It was just an accident. She did not mean it.
To hug me every morning. But now she does not even look at me. Mom, can we talk today? I really miss talking with you. I feel so lonely, Mom.
Not now, Sophie. I am very busy today. Please, just eat your breakfast, okay?
Okay, Mom. Sorry for asking. I will just eat by myself.
Look, Mom, it goes super fast when I push the button. Wow, that is amazing. Did you fix it yourself?
Did I do something so wrong? Does Mom not love me anymore? I do not understand. Today is my birthday. Maybe Mom and Dad have a big surprise for me today. I wonder if there are balloons. Or maybe a cake. I cannot wait to see everything. No balloons? No decorations? Maybe the surprise is coming later. Yes, maybe later. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. Good morning, Tommy.
Good morning, Sophie. Come and eat quickly. You do not want to be late for school.
Okay, Mom. Maybe the surprise will come later. I will just wait. Maybe when I go home today, Mom will have a cake ready. Maybe a big surprise. Happy birthday, Sophie! I made this card for you. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much. This is so kind of you. You remembered my birthday. Thank you. My friend remembered my birthday. I hope Mom and Dad remember too. I really hope. Only a little more time, and then I go home. I cannot wait. I really cannot wait. I am going home now. Please let there be a surprise. Please, please, please. Dad? Mom? Today is my birthday. Did you remember?
Oh, yes. Happy birthday, Sophie. Go wash your hands now. Dinner will be ready soon.
Okay, Mom. Thank you, Mom. I will go wash my hands now. Thank you very much. My friend remembered, but my own family forgot. Did they forget me? Do they not care?
Sophie has been in her room for a long time. Something does not feel right today. Sophie, are you okay in there? Can Dad come in and talk to you for a moment? Sophie? Oh, my sweet girl. Why are you crying?
Dad, I feel like nobody sees me anymore. I feel like I am invisible at home.
Invisible? Oh, Sophie, you are never invisible to me.
Dad, ever since the cake accident, Mom is different. She does not hug me anymore.
Maria, I need to talk to you. It is about Sophie. Something is really wrong.
Wrong? And what do you mean, Carlos? What happened? Is Sophie okay right now?
She is sitting alone crying in her room. Oh, she says she feels invisible at home, Maria.
Invisible? My Sophie feels invisible? Oh no. Oh no. What have I been doing?
Ever since Tommy's birthday, you have been a little distant with her. She feels it.
I did not mean to hurt her. I never meant to. I need to fix this right now, Carlos.
Mom, it looks so beautiful. Sophie is going to be so surprised. I cannot wait.
I should have done this from the start. My Sophie deserves to feel loved today.
Are you ready, Tommy? Let us go and surprise our Sophie. She deserves this so much.
Come in. The door is open. I am just sitting here. Please come in, Dad.
Happy birthday, Sophie. Happy birthday, my beautiful girl. We love you so much.
I am so sorry, my love. That day was never your fault. I should have hugged you more.
I just missed you so much, Mom. I just wanted you to hug me like before. I missed you.
I am here now, my love. I am not going anywhere. I will always be right here for you.
Sophie, come and see our cake. Mom and Dad made everything just for you.
And happy birthday, our beautiful Sophie. And we love you so much. Now make a wish, my girl.
I wish for my family to always stay happy and together. That is my only wish today. Sometimes love is not about big things. It is about being seen. And I feel seen again.